Import error, no module named test_data, but test_data.py in same directory as Test.Py under PyCharm using virtualenv. In Test.Py, I am trying to import test_data. Test_data.py is in the same directory as Test.Py. I get the following error. Break time equals ones, greater than break time equals ones, greater than break time equals ones, greater than true. Testing started at 11:30 am, traceback, most recent call last, file break time equals ones, greater than line 121, in module equals load source is 0, file break time equals ones, greater than line 44, in load source module equals imp.load_source module name, file break time equals ones, greater than line 4, in from test_data import receipt 1_ example import error, no module named test_data process finished with exit code 1. As you can see, I'm running this under PyCharm using a virtualenv. Here's a screenshot of the configuration.
The workaround I use is a friend told me that one can also add the directory entries to some include directories.
Please try PyCharm 2.5.1 RC. There was a bug with sys.path building, it contained incorrect, duplicated project source directory. If it's not the case, you can mark additional directories as source in preferences, project structure, or add them to the paths in the Python interpreters.
Get out.